Hello, I'm attorney Vince Davis. With nearly 40 years of experience in California law, I've seen many changes. Today, I want to talk about the significant shifts we are seeing in California's criminal justice system through 2026. California is undergoing a transformative shift, balancing new public safety measures with long-term systemic reforms. The passage of Proposition 36 in late 2024 marked a major turning point for theft and drug-related offenses. This measure scales back earlier reforms, allowing for felony charges on third-time theft offenses, even for lower amounts. New laws like AB 2943 and SB 905 now allow prosecutors to stack the value of items stolen from multiple victims. This helps reach the $950 threshold required for grand theft charges. Additionally, the locked door loophole has been closed. Forced entry alone is now sufficient for a felony charge. Courts can now issue restraining orders banning convicted thieves from specific retail locations for up to 2 years. The state is also taking a much harder line on the distribution of dangerous narcotics, particularly fentanyl. Under Alexandra's law, convicted dealers must be formally warned that continuing to deal could lead to murder charges. Quantity enhancements now mean mandatory prison time for trafficking large amounts, with penalties scaling significantly. However, Proposition 36 also introduces treatment-mandated felonies, creating a bridge to rehabilitation for some users. While some penalties have increased, California remains committed to systemic equity through the Racial Justice Act. By 2026, the Racial Justice Act will be fully retroactive, allowing challenges to convictions based on systemic bias. Judges also have expanded authority under AB 600 to recall sentences that are no longer in the interest of justice. Starting in 2025, many agencies must use race-blind charging, redacting identity during the initial filing decision. Juvenile justice continues to evolve, focusing on the science of brain development and long-term rehabilitation. The state has prohibited restitution fines for minors, recognizing the financial barriers they create for families. Specialized parole hearings are now available for those who committed crimes under the age of 25. Accountability for law enforcement is also a priority, with new mandates for transparency and bias screening. By 2026, the No Secret Police Act will prohibit officers from obscuring their identities during operations. Victims' rights are also expanding, including protected employment leave to attend court proceedings. We are even seeing new legislation addressing emerging technologies such as AI-generated deepfakes. The CARE Act continues to expand, providing civil criminal hybrid courts for those with severe mental illnesses. In my practice, I often see where criminal law intersects with CPS and family law regulations. A criminal charge can have immediate and devastating effects on your parental rights and family stability. Navigating these dual systems requires a defense that understands both the penal code and the welfare code. The nuances of California law mean that even a minor criminal issue can trigger a complex CPS investigation. My goal is to protect not just your freedom, but the integrity and the future of your family unit. For nearly 4 decades, I have fought for parents facing the most challenging legal circumstances in California. The legal landscape is always changing, but our commitment to our clients remains constant. Staying informed about these new legislative updates is the first step in building a strong defense. Advocacy matters. The right representation can make the difference between a family torn apart and a family saved. The California justice system is vast and complex, but you do not have to navigate it alone. Whether it's a criminal charge or a CPS matter, knowing your rights is your most powerful tool. We provide the expertise and the unhurried, thorough attention that your case deserves. We understand the stress and the fear that comes with legal trouble. We are here to support you. Our approach is always strategic, tailored to the specific details of your unique situation. If you or a loved one are facing legal challenges, please reach out. We are ready to help. Don't wait for the system to decide your fate. Take control of your legal journey today. Call us now at 888-888-6582. I'm Vince Davis, and we are all in this together.